Good morning, Pinewood families. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, and this YouTube video will explain to you a little bit about what's going on today. As always, you're going to be asked to check into Schoology to find the exact assignments and what you need to do and to turn in and to read. Actually, I apologize. I didn't publish Thursday until just a few minutes ago. It's been in there, but I cleared it so that students can view it as of about 10 minutes ago at 9:30 this morning. The first thing is Raz Kids, and in Raz Kids today you'll be reading another short story and doing an activity to do with character traits and why they do things and making decisions about why they do things. So look for that activity on Raz Kids. Remember, just go to razkids.com. There's a dash in between Raz and Kids. Scroll to the bottom of the screen, and on the purple bar at the bottom is the assignment for the week. Next in math today, something new, you're going to be turning your math work in online. So you're going to submit an assignment today. You're going to be working on page 209 in the math pages, and it is titled as an exit ticket. So you'll know you're in the right place if you have an exit ticket. It's just got a couple problems on it. It'll probably be a 5-minute assignment for you, but you're going to be turning it in. Remember that there's two different ways to turn things in. The first one is to do your work on a regular piece of paper, or if you have the paper packet on page 209, snap a picture on your phone and then submit it by clicking Submit Assignment and then Upload. This is how you can take a picture and submit your work that way. If you want to type the problems in, and I think it still has the ability to make it as a fraction, you might need to use the /, which is a diagonal bar like this. So you might have to type the fraction 1/2 like this. Let's see if we can get you to see that. So I know it's backwards, but you might be able to make your fraction like that if you're going to be doing that. I believe for that one, after you click Submit Assignment, you'll click Create. It'll open a big text box, and you can type them in there as well. So whatever works for you, taking a picture and uploading it, or clicking Create to type it right into the text box. If you're going to be doing uploading a picture, I have found it easier to have the picture first. So take the picture before you get to that Submit Assignment button. Click Upload, and then you can browse from your files. If you're taking a picture with a laptop or a tablet, then you can submit it on that machine. If you take your picture on your phone, maybe your parents can email it from the phone to a computer, whatever works for you, to make it easier to turn that assignment in. This is the first assignment this week that you actually need to turn in. And actually, as far as what you need to turn in, the other two assignments, the social studies online quiz that you'll take tomorrow, that is submitted online right through the website. You really don't need to do anything but just finish it. And the Raz Kids assignment about character traits and character inferences, that's submitted via the Raz Kids website, and so you don't need to worry about turning that in. You just finish it and click complete or submit, whatever it says. I'll go over that tomorrow for social studies and reading. Today, it's just the math assignment. Make sure that you submit that today, and I'll be probably checking them over the weekend. Last, in social studies today, your assignment is to reread one more time the social studies newspaper. Now that you're familiar with it, it's probably going to be about a 10 to 15 minute read to read the whole thing. Also, today would be a fun day to go back and view any Liberty's Kids episodes that you have not watched yet, up through number 10. We've had some discussions about this before, that most of you have watched some or many of the Liberty's Kids episodes, and so today would be a good idea to go back. In Schoology, I've listed the ones, and I think it was like 3, 7, 8, 9 could possibly be the ones that you haven't watched yet. This will get you kind of up to speed, so that next week when we start the actual activities and battles of the Revolutionary War after the Declaration of Independence, you'll be ready to roll. I think that's about it for today. It was nice to see many of you on Zoom last night. If you have questions about today's work, as always, I'll be on Schoology conferences today at noon. Yesterday, we were a little bit smaller in number, which is absolutely fine with me. It's not meant to be necessarily a hangout time at the noon conference, but it's to ask any important questions that you have, or if you have concerns or you're not sure how to do something, that's the time to get help from Mr. Nitz. Well, good luck with your work today, and some of you I'll see you at noon. Otherwise, I will talk to you tomorrow.